It's cute, right? Hey guys, it's Octavia aka 00 Styles, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to me, press the subscribe button below. Make sure you press the button in the corner so when you know the next time I post something you will get an alert. Anywho, we're gonna do a wig review today on this neon forest green wig right here. We're doing green really because it's March. Secondly, even if it's not March, it's about the money. The hair matches the money, the shmoney. Thirdly, I'm not trying to turn this issue into like something funny because it's not funny. People really dying off this stuff, but at the same time I'm gonna call this aka the coronavirus wig because it's green like the virus, baby. Money and coronavirus. And I feel like you're gonna remember it even more because of this situation, this coronavirus situation. We stuck in the house, so guess what? I was like, let me do this video, honey, on this green look. So this is a sheer mousse wig, and it is from Express Lace Wig Sensational, and it is in the neon forest. It is called Lachan. I don't know how to say the words. You already know that. So guess what? I'm just gonna put a description and stuff down below. If you're interested in this wig, they give you this little swatch thingy right here, so you can like pick out what other color you may want. This one, it says be your own muse, cutting edge looks for the girl who's not afraid to live on the edge. Are you that type of girl that's gonna live on the edge? Salon inspired cut and colored. Ear to ear lace, includes baby hair, and it's a lightweight unit. All that is true, okay? Because the cut is cute, the color is cute, it is an ear-to-ear lace. It includes baby hairs, but you already know from the last video. If you have not seen my last video, make sure you check that out. I have that below as well. But if you have not seen that video, understand that I do not know how to do edges yet. But when I master it, understand that shit gonna be hard. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this wig. Okay, so ever since I put it on my head, what I did notice is it has 3 combs. That's a good thing because I like combs on mine so it can stay on my head. Secondly, the color is fucking bomb, period. Clearly. Third is the vibe that it gives. I don't know, shoot, that's how I feel. I feel like it gives me a whole different vibe. What I did not like is when I was brushing it, it was some shedding, it was some hair. I do not like hair on the floor, and that I just don't like stuff like that, okay? I had to like put the flat iron in it because I felt like it was kind of flimsy-ish. So I put the flat iron in it to make it like bone straight, a little bit more straight. If you have the heat up too high, it's gonna like frizz, like it's gonna like staticky kind of feel. And that's because his hair is like synthetic, okay? It's not bad for a synthetic wig, but it felt really staticky. What I would grade this wig, I would grade it a B, literally because I just do not like shedding, and I think this is a cute wig, but I don't think it's my #1 like top A wigs, but I freaking love it. I will order it again. How do you guys feel about it? Do you guys like this? Do you like this color on me? Like, just tell me in the comments, how are you feeling about this thing? I tried to do my eyeshadow to match my hair, so I hope y'all like it. It's not the same color, it's like a turquoise color, but y'all see I'm never giving up on my goals, baby. I'm gonna get that eyeshadow down, and it's gonna be a wrap, okay? Period. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will have the details below. Make sure you press the subscribe button and the notification button. Make sure you check out 00styles.com. I'm a fashion and style blogger. I have my online boutique, so make sure you check out all that stuff. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you later.